Hi guys, I'm happy to have you back on my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to draft the Princess Dart back bodies. So to draft a Princess Dart's back bodies, I have marked the upper chest, the bust line and the waistline, and I'll be using this to illustrate how to draft the Princess Dart's back bodies. First, you just measure the armhole depth. Measuring it, I got from the shoulder slope down to the armhole, I got 8 inches depth. So you derive the midpoint of this 8 inches, which is 4 inches, and I've marked that here. For the bust line, I will go up by 1 inch. Remember, on the front bodies, we went down by 1 inch, but for the back, we're going up by 1 inch to make our darts. And on the waistline, I'll measure ½ inch to the left, that's to the center front, and ½ inch to the side seam. Then I'll connect these 3 points with 3 straight lines from 1 inch above the bust line to the waistline. Once I'm done doing that, I'll connect this line, that's the midpoint on the armhole. I'll connect it with the 1 inch above the bust line that we marked earlier, and I'll fine tune it with my French curve. I'm going to apply this 1 inch dart allowance to the waistline to extend the waistline. Okay, so I've applied it here, and I will connect the line to the armhole, creating a new seam line. At the center back, I'll measure ½ inch from the center back point. This is to reduce the zip bulge, like when you fix your zip and it tends to be bulgy at that part. This ½ inch is going to eliminate that. Okay, so we'll connect it with our upper chest measurement. Okay, so basically this is how to draft the back bodies of a Princess Dart. So draw up the armhole, we'll just cut this out. You note that we've not added any seam allowance to this block. You only impute the seam allowance when cutting on fabrics. So this is how the back bodies will look like after cutting it out. If you're cutting this on fabric, you will now apply your seam allowance to all the appropriate areas, like you add your seam allowance to the sides and to the middle. You add your zipper allowance at this point. Your shoulder line, you add the appropriate seam allowances. If you would like to know how I got my upper chest, bust line and waistline, you can refer to my basic bodies pattern video. I'll attach the link on the description of this video. You can refer to that to know how I got the basic block. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.